In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read royalty reports on KDP. Whether you're a freshly minted author or have a couple of books under your belt, understanding the ins and outs of royalty reports on Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP is crucial to keeping track of your earnings and ensuring everything is going according to plan. Today, we're breaking it down step by step so you can feel confident navigating these reports on your own. First things first, you'll need to access the KDP website and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll head over to the Reports section. You'll find this option in the menu bar at the top of the page. Hover your mouse over Reports, and in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Payments. This is your entry point into viewing the financial side of your KDP activity. Here, you will be able to see detailed insights into your royalty payments, which will help you manage and plan your publishing strategy. Next, let's take a closer look at how to view earned royalties by marketplace. When you're in the Payments section, you're greeted with a comprehensive overview of different marketplaces where your books are sold. Here you can see how much you're earning from each geographic region. This information is key, especially if your books have an international audience. It helps you understand where your books are performing best and may even offer insights into areas where you could expand your promotional efforts. By clicking on each marketplace, you'll get a breakdown of your royalties. So take your time exploring these sections to familiarize yourself with your revenue distribution across different world regions. After reviewing your royalties, it's time to check the payment status. This is essential because you want to ensure that the funds you've earned are reaching you on time. In the Payments area, you can see which payments have been completed and which are still pending. If you notice any delays, you can investigate further or reach out to KDP support for assistance. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your financial records in line and ensuring that your expected payments match what's being deposited into your account. Finally, if you wish to keep a detailed record of your royalty earnings offline or need to evaluate them more thoroughly, consider exporting the data. KDP provides an easy way to export your royalty reports into a spreadsheet. Simply look for the Export option, usually found within the same Payment Reports screen. Exporting this data allows you to analyze your earnings in more depth, comparing monthly trends or even preparing them for accounting purposes. This can be a game changer for anyone who takes a meticulous approach to their finances. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to read royalty reports on KDP. By understanding this process, you can take control of your book earnings, make informed decisions, and ensure that you're always in the loop with your financial progress. Thanks for tuning in,